here at the party. Body. So that's my brother. He's sitting. And this is my mom, guys. Say hi, Mom.
Hi!
This is really tall. I'm here at Dubai right now. Look, I can see everything. It's not really
Today I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't hesitate without you.
Look, you can see there's a flag.
So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, a lonely place, it's nice to know